Established in 1984, HW Machinery is one of China's leading manufacturers of slaughter and food processing equipment. We specialize in complete solutions for poultry, pig, cattle, and sheep abattoirs. This is our poultry processing equipment production base, where advanced machinery is built for global clients. Here, you can see the spin chiller and the 200-500 bph compact chicken slaughter line ready for delivery. Each spin chiller is custom built to match your processing capacity. Made entirely of 3mm 304 stainless steel and driven by dual motors for stable, efficient chilling. Our 200-500 bph compact chicken slaughter line is the most efficient and cost-effective choice for small plants. Fully pre-installed and tested before shipment, saving installation and commissioning costs. Now in production are Poultry Plucker Machines, engineered for precision and long-term durability. Each machine features an adjustable stainless steel frame and 72 defeathering discs, equipped with dual waterproof bearings and aluminum components for better corrosion resistance. Custom protective covers extend bearing life and reduce maintenance downtime. Custom bearings with dual internal holes ensure full lubrication and extended service life. These details may increase initial costs slightly, but deliver years of smooth operation and reliability. That's the HW Machinery difference. Designed for performance, durability, and ease of use. Trusted worldwide for poultry, cattle, pig, and sheep processing equipment. HW Machinery, your partner in food processing and slaughter solutions.